Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you are doing great. I hope you are passing good time. Now I am going to make a short video with my student Noman. He is very interested in English and he is also good at English. Though he is not class 6, I like teaching him English very much. He is very good at English. So now I am going to ask him some personal question and question regarding school and some simple question. I hope he will be able to answer all my questions. My first question to you, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Numan.
Please speak louder.
Sir.
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Numan.
What's your full name?
My full name is Abdullah Numan.
How old are you now?
I am 12 years old.
12 years old. Are you a student?
Yes, sir. I am a student.
What class do you study?
I read in class 6.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you go to school alone?
Yes, sir. I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by rickshaw.
By rickshaw. Do you have any best friend in your school?
Yes, sir. I have.
How many students are there in your class?
There are
50 students. In my class.
in my class.
Do you have any girl in school? In your school?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you love to learn English?
Yes, sir. I love to learn English.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, sir. I practice English every day.
Do you practice English with your teacher?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I practice with my English with my teacher. Achha. Do you want to speak English every day?
Yes, sir. I want to speak English every day.
Do you like to speak English with your brother Shimon?
Yes, sir. I like to.
Do you have any future plan?
Yes, sir. I have a future plan.
What do you want to be in your future?
I want to be in my future a doctor.
Doctor. Right. Thank you for this. My blessing to you for your high ambition. May Allah fulfill your dream. How many languages? How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 2 languages, English
Bengali and
Bengali.
English. Good.
Hindi.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mohammed Sadiq.
What's your father do?
My father is a service worker.
What's your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Achha. Do you have any? What's your brother does? What's your brother does?
My brother is a student.
What does your brother do? Thank you. Achha. Now I'm going to leave my video. I hope I will enjoy the video. Thank you.